9 Frugal Laundry Tips to Save Money. Almost all liquid laundry detergents today are formulated to clean in cold water. Powdered detergents may not dissolve well in cold water and leave a white residue on fabrics. Unless you have extremely dirty or greasy clothes, you may be surprised at how well cold water washes clean. Many generic store brand detergents, fabric softeners, and bleach are made by leading manufacturers. Give them a try to save on detergent costs and see if you are satisfied with the results. If you are concerned about what chemicals are hiding in commercial laundry products, you can make homemade detergents, fabric softener, starch, and scent enhancers. Don't worry about smelling like a pickle. Add 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar to the final rinse water. The mild acid in the vinegar will help loosen any final detergent residue that causes the laundry to be stiff that is still clinging to the clothes. If you can't give up your favorite brand name detergent, use less. Try using 1/2 of the recommended amount. You probably will not notice a difference in the cleanliness level of your laundry, and your clothes may look better and last longer. If you have problems with static cling in the winter, add a ball of aluminum foil to the dryer. The metal will help to break the cycle of static. Replace after several loads. Outside air is still free, at least for the moment. Use an outdoor clothesline and fresh air to line dry your washable laundry. If you hang your laundry correctly on the line, you may even notice fewer wrinkles and eliminate the need to iron. To make ironing easier and more energy efficient, add a piece of aluminum foil under your ironing board cover. The foil will help hold heat and allow you to iron more quickly or at a lower temperature. This is a personal favorite. Plan what you're going to wear. Hang it on the back of the bathroom door as you shower or bathe. The steam generated will smooth out wrinkles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.